Hey everyone, we are here in another mission to accomplish a differential equation, first with our knowledge and then with this application that we're seeing, MATLAB. So we have this differential equation with an initial condition. So to resolve this equation with our previous knowledge, we know that that y prime is equals to dy over dx. And we're gonna just move the cos of x right to the next part of the equation. So we have this. Now we pass the dx multiplicating, so we have dy equals cos of x dx. Now we can integer. So the integer of dy is just y, and we're going to equal it to the integer of cos of x is sin of x plus our constant. Now we have the initial condition. So we have y of 0 equals the sin of 0 plus c. So by the initial equation, we know that y of 0 is 1, so we're going to put the 1 here. The sin of 0 is 0, so 1 is equals to c. Therefore, what we are searching for is this. This here, it's the result of our differential equation. And now we're going to move here to MATLAB. And we have here this programmation code. It's pretty simple actually. We have to put a function y equals. We're going to use this function that it's called dsolve. We're going to open our parentheses. We're going to put a little prime, and we're going to write our equation, but in this way. Just that we're going to left out the dx. We're just going to put dy equals cos of x, and we're going to close this. We're going to put a comma so we can put up our initial condition, that it's y of 0 equals 1. We're going to close that again, and we're going to mention the variable in which we want to resolve this equation, because MATLAB has as default the variable t. So if you have in your equation a t, you don't have to put right the x. But if you want to like integer in x or in y, any other variable, you have to state it. So we just now run it with the enter button. And as you see, we have the same result we got there, just that we didn't have to go all the way there, you know. And well, basically this is a pretty simple differential equation, but this program really helps us with a lot of complex ones. So well, that's all. See you later. Thanks, teacher Anselmo, for teaching us this.